Hello, this is Larry, and I'm doing another product review. So basically, what led to this purchase is I've been struggling a lot with doing videos, especially with my current tripod. It's got a maximum height of about 40 inches. And when I'm doing board games and stuff like that, sometimes, I've always been struggling to either put it on the table. I've actually brought other tables in. I've tried putting it onto boxes. Totes, chairs, anything to try to get the right angle. It just can't get high enough sometimes, so it's been a real struggle. It's perfect for some videos, but other videos has been really difficult to do. So I've kind of looked around and I found this tripod here. Found it online. I'll produce a link in the description there. So basically this one here can actually go up to 70 inches, so this is more than doubling what my current tripod over there can do. So let's get this open and take a look inside. So this is Regetek, don't know how to pronounce it properly. So it comes in a nice bag, nice carrying bag here. So done. So this is my piece, and it holds my cell phone, standard 1/4 inch. So that will screw onto this tripod or any tripod. So any of my current rigs will work. Yeah, and here it is here. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is definitely more heavy duty too. Again, just kind of pop the stuff out. Like this. Like I said. This is nice. You gotta loose. This is nice. I have to watch the feet. Make sure I don't lose those, because I think those pop off. Yeah, it's like a little pop on and off there. This is also this little hook here, so I can weigh it down. So I can put some weight on there, keep it steady. This thing should pop up even more. Look at that. I can pop right off too. I mean, that is probably, like, right now, without even the legs extended, that is about just a little bit shorter than my current 40 inch right there. And that is just on almost the same height as my current one. Let me just actually go and quickly grab it for comparison. This is my current one with all the legs extended. And you can see, it's already up to here, and this is with all the legs extended in this one here. So this should give me the height that I need, hopefully, for doing my board games. I'm gonna try it out. I got a Gloomhaven Jaws of the Lion scenario 5 set up, which I'll probably shoot with this one here this time, and I should get a better angle. Okay, and yeah, so this is another product review, and yeah, this is looking good. Very happy with this one. Okay. And thank you.